Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I wanted to do a try on haul that reflects my page over on my Amazon shop that is titled Dresses for Fancy Events. So think wedding guests, but not just wedding guests. I wanted to focus on different categories of special occasions. So sorority semi-formal or fraternity semi-formal, a military ball, like even a random prom. So I wanted to try on short dresses, casual like daytime bridal shower dresses, wedding guest dresses, a bunch of different ones. So hopefully you'll find something that you like and it's helpful. I am 4'11". I bought all of these in a size small, which unfortunately it is the smallest size they have, and a lot of them were pretty big. So a lot of these might not be like super petite friendly, but with some of them I could order the day before an event and be good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you want me to do another category or a part 2 to this video, definitely let me know in the comments below. You can always head over to my Amazon shop for more inspo and more finds, and follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay y'all, starting off super strong with this super pretty dress. I'm usually not even a fan of peach, but I love this. I think this would be perfect for bridal showers. If you're a bride, they have a white color that I think would be so pretty. It's just so airy, flowy, flattering. It has this really cute open back detailing with a bow that you can tie. It's just like airy. I love the movement and the detailing with the crochet right here. It's kind of the perfect length on me. I'm 4'11", and this is a size small. You can wear a bra, so I'm wearing sticky boobs, and it's like the slightly bit too sheer to not wear nude underwear, so I'm wearing both. I'll link my favorite like shapewear and Amazon sticky boobs below. And then I decided to wear nude heels, also Amazon. And this bag, I think this bag might be a little too casual, but I definitely need like some sort of like nude clutch or something like that, more like a daytime bag. So I paired it with this one, but I love it. I think it's so flattering, so pretty. It comes in other like solid pastel colors like a light blue and lilac, white like I said, but also some really pretty prints. So I think there's something for every occasion. I'm even considering wearing this to my daughter's baptism because I like it so much. So I'm so happy with this one, definitely keeping. Okay, this one is slightly too, it wouldn't even say big, it's just like a little loose fabric like right here, therefore like it doesn't sit right, and then the waist isn't cinching like it's supposed to. But that being said, this color is absolutely stunning. I love it. I love the hem. It's like asymmetrical. I would probably wear this with black heels though, but this one just looks cool. It looks like trendy and expensive, and I just cannot believe it. I really like the one shoulder, but I would have to get this tailored. So while this is not like a last minute option, I think this would be cool to have in my closet. Like if it was just like a slightly bit tighter where the waist thing is, I think I would like it so much more. It's really, really nice. I love, like it has like a little bit of shine. So cool. I love it. Couldn't tell you why, but this dress reminds me of Rach Parcell. I don't know why, but I love it. I mean, it's no secret that I love pink, so it was already winning there. This is like such a bright and fun color, perfect with a tan, perfect for the summer. It would be cool for a more like fancy event at night, but also I would totally wear this to like an engagement party or a date night, like in a fancier place, or like even like a cruise or on vacation in Miami. I don't know where I'm going telling you all this, but it's just really fun. I had to wear my hair up just because it looks best like that, and even though I don't usually go for high neck things, I really like it. I think it's flattering, I think it's classy, it's fun with the color options. They have so many like really cool vibrant neons, like the purple and the blue are calling my name. But what do y'all think? I really do like it. And you can kind of adjust the length because the waistband is nice and stretchy. So let me know what you think. Okay, I don't know about this one. I think it's giving more Punta Cana than it is giving like fancy event, even daytime event. I guess it would be kind of cute with a bump just because it has like this really nice definition right here, and it would be you know, roomy. But it has this cutout, so I don't know if that would even work. The fabric isn't necessarily bad, and I do like sort of the silhouette, but I think it's missing something. Maybe the color, maybe this in black would look nicer. I just don't know. It's like not my favorite. It just feels like it needs more. Maybe if it was shorter, I would like it more. Let's see. Yeah, I would definitely wear a dress like that. I just think maybe it's just like too much material and not enough, like, give me a slit or something. But even though I would wear this, I wouldn't wear this to an event per se. But it's not bad. It's not great though, I'll say that. I feel like you can see how bright and neon it is in this lighting. I just wanted to show you all like a second look. Let me know what y'all think it's missing, or if it's just me. Like if you like it and you would wear this to a summer wedding. So I don't think I would. I wanted to get some short options that were still appropriate. So got this long sleeve baby doll dress in black. I think when you're going for something more affordable that's like a cheaper fabric, it's always nicer in dark colors, especially black. I will say this does feel like a pretty cheap material, and the zipper had such a hard time zipping up, not because it didn't fit, but because it was like poorly made. So this would be good in a pinch, but it's definitely not my first choice. I like it with these heels though. It like adds a bit of color. Decent. Do I love it? No. But it's not too bad. It's also a little longer, so if you're taller than me, it might hit like exactly where you would need it. I wanted some daytime options, something that would be good for like a luncheon or brunch or a daytime event, like bridal shower, things like that. So I got this one. I will say these are my favorite type of maxi dresses, like long, loose, comfy, puffy sleeves. They were like my pregnancy staple. I like it. I think the color is pretty. They have like so many options. But if you want something a little more casual, definitely like very lightweight and so flattering. I feel like you can never go wrong with this. And like wedges, it's comfy and it's cute. I guess it's a great option. Also like a good baby shower option, things like that. Wouldn't necessarily wear this to a wedding unless it's like a summery outdoor wedding, but it's really cute. Okay, unfortunately this one is too big, even though it's a small, so keep that in mind. It's just like too loose, like in the chest, so it looks weird. But I like this way more than I was expecting to like it, especially when I first opened it. I think steamed with the right like hairdo, black heels probably. So it looks so nice, but it's unfortunately too big. So if you have like the time, you order it ahead, you get it tailored if you're like my size, or if it doesn't fit you properly. I think it's great for a last minute option. It's probably not the best. Yeah, like I would need it to be less fabric at the top, a little bit shorter, but also we have like this fabric bunching up. I don't know. What do y'all think? I love this color though. And I really like the higher neck ones. Like I was not expecting that at all. But yeah, you can totally see that this just doesn't really fit right. So unfortunately, not for me. Okay, wow, I think this one is extremely flattering. I would have to wear like fashion tape or something. I don't think a strapless bra would do it just because of the v-neck. But I think it's really flattering. I love how it gathers right here. I think that's just so nice, and the dark color is also really beautiful. I wish it was like a tad shorter. I love this slit. It's so cool. It has a nice long zipper in the back, and this part is pretty stretchy, but I do wish it was like a tad shorter on me and a little bit less fabric. Like that would be perfect, but it's not bad. I really like it. I think it looks like elegant and it's flattering. I also think the navy color helps a ton with a fabric like this. I have so many questions about this dress. Let me look at the listing because obviously it didn't come with any instructions. This color is heavily giving bridesmaid. So interesting. I don't know if I like this, y'all. Like I don't think, it's definitely not for me. It's not something I would wear, but also I guess it's very modest is my thing. I don't like it. It's not ugly, it's just not my preference, and I don't know. It's like, does this look cheap to anyone else or just me? Out of all like silky materials though, this one feels nice and thick, but the seam is right there and it looks weird. I don't really love this situation. I don't know, I guess it looks like the listing. I don't know what I was expecting. It's like this like metallic-y color. Thoughts? Would love to know what y'all think. I'm trying to see if I can make it better. This is definitely not supposed to be a maxi. It's more of like a midi and a 411, so it fits me pretty long. But even tailored, like this isn't something I would go for. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If there's any dresses or clothing items from Amazon that you want me to review and try, definitely let me know in the comments. Let me know which dress was your favorite, because for me it's definitely the hot pink. I think it's so stunning, and I may order it later today in the blue color because I'm obsessed. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the intro, but this sweater is not from DH, it's from Temu, and it was 16 bucks, so I'll link it down below. I really like it. It's like Loewe vibes. I don't really know how to say that, but you know. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one.